So you are losing 1% of collagen per year. That's normal. But that's not the bad part. The most troubling issue to you is you lose it precipitously from age 30 to age 50. So it catches my patients off guard when they arrive at age 35 with what? Crow's feet, forehead lines, jowls, nasolabial folds, and skin sag. That's okay, we have this. But wait, the next issue is, especially for women, they see bone loss and estrogen loss. Yes, real estrogen loss decreases by the 30s, and that accelerates the bone loss and the skin thinning. That's the issue. It's not all depressing because we now do have the technology to prevent skin thinning and even build collagen back, build bone back, and improve your dermal thickness. When the skin thins, you get fine lines and wrinkles. This graph shows collagen and age. And look at it, it shows it to be linear here, but that's not right. If that were the case, then you could, if you figured it out at age 30 or 35, you'd say, okay, great, it's linear. I've lost linear collagen. Even by 40, you can save yourself this collagen loss. But check out the real graph here. This is the real graph, and it comes here, and this is where most of the collagen loss occurs, at this steep part right there. And that's between, like, say, 30 and 45. And that's because if we measured estrogen and hormones at that age, that would be going down as well. Here's the problem that I see in real clinical practice with my patients. Okay, we used to see the loss come here between these two parameters, say 30 to 45. This whole graph is shifted to the left. And so what we're seeing now is collagen loss here, where it should be optimized at 20. We're seeing that age drastically change. So unfortunately, younger people have to pay more and more attention to. And here you see the effect of it. Young, see these collagen fibrils? They look great. They're strong. They're supportive. See how they break over here? What happens when collagen breaks down? You get skin thinning, wrinkles, shallow wrinkle, medium, and then where it says old here, you're getting deeper lines and wrinkles. So collagen, absolutely key to this. Now you may be taking the right ingredients, but like baking a cake, the order and the manner you use them determines the outcome. I'm going to discuss today 5 essential tips to get the most out of your collagen powder. Just because you're taking it doesn't mean it's going to work. You need to take the right one, the right dose, and in the right way. So why has collagen powder become the most popular supplement? Simply put, collagen is the most abundant protein in our body, providing structure, support to our skin, hair, nails, bones, and ligaments. And when people take collagen powder, that's exactly what they're seeing improvement in. But as we age, our bodies produce less and less collagen, which can lead to various signs of aging, such as wrinkles, brittle nails, hair thinning, and that's where collagen powder comes in. It supplies your body with the building blocks to turn back the clock. Skeptical? Well, various studies, including one from the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology in 2019, found that collagen peptides, or collagen supplements as they're called, can help improve skin elasticity, hydration, and dermal collagen density. Read the comments below my videos on collagen powders, and of course, I do this every day in clinical practice, so I see it in my patients, and you'll see the raving reviews. If my patients weren't coming in raving about the effects and my facial imaging was telling me that this wasn't working, I wouldn't waste my time, money, and effort either. But personally, I see the effects. In fact, collagen powder is the #1 selling product in my clinic. Yes, above skincare. Now, why would that be? Well, it's because it helps with so many things. It's ubiquitous: hair, skin, nails, and joints. So once people see the effects, they purchase it for their friends and family, those who aren't even interested in aesthetics. You do need to take it correctly, however, so let's dive into these 5 tips to make sure you are maximizing the benefits. #1, first, make sure you choose a high quality collagen powder. Look for a brand that sources from grass-fed, pasture-raised animals or wild-caught fish to ensure that you're getting the purest and most ethical product. Look for Made in the USA, GMP, Good Manufacturing Process certified, and triple tested for heavy metals. Now, I'm sure you've all seen the recent recalls from the lesser brands. Less expensive does in fact often mean less effective and even dangerous. Often they cut corners. You get one body and one face. Cut corners when you go purchase your car, not on your face. Tip number 2, collagen powder can be incorporated into your diet in many ways. In your morning coffee, I know is how many of you use it. Your post-workout smoothie is another one. Even in your favorite recipes when you're eating food. You want your coffee temperature to be under 140 degrees Fahrenheit if you're putting it in your coffee, and that makes sure it dissolves properly, but also that decreases your risk of cancer because hot fluids have been shown to increase the risk of esophageal cancer. And you don't want to change the consistency and the effectiveness of your powder either. Does the time of day matter? No. With collagen powder, it's really nice because you can take it at different times of the day, morning, noon, in the evening. Doesn't affect its efficacy. Number 3, consistency is key. Taking your collagen powder daily ensures a steady supply of this important protein to your body. If it's challenging to remember to take it, I know it is for me sometimes, try integrating it into your routine, like have it with your breakfast on those days where you're not fasting. And when you do fast, you can break your fast with a collagen smoothie. It's one of the best ways, and that leaves you feeling full and you get your dose of it. I do like fasting, and I think initiating autophagy with sleep, with exercise, and intermittent fasting. And I do like 14 to 16 hours. I think that's enough to get your autophagy initiated. If you have questions on that, definitely watch my video on autophagy. I'll put it at the end of this one so you can watch that next. Number 4, always take your collagen powder with vitamin C or vitamin C rich food. Why? A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition explains that vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis in our body. You also want to think of silica and vitamin A. Those are next in line of importance. If you're not getting these from foods, check out my Plasberry Store gummies. They have silica, A, C, and E. Those are really the building blocks, kind of the glue that holds that collagen together, if you want to think of it. And so they are kind of the supporting cast. So you want to definitely be mindful of what you're taking your collagen powder with. So when it gets in there, it has all the elements to really boost that collagen, but also give you structure and support to your skin. Number 5, understand that collagen powder is a supplement and it's not a cure-all. Number 1 is a balanced diet and eating real food, a healthy lifestyle, and of course, great sleep. You also want to exercise. And by that, I mean 30 minutes, 3 times a week, and you need strength training. I know many of you are on the treadmill or walking, which is great. But as a woman, if you're a female watching this, you need strength training because that's going to help your bone C resistance. It's also going to boost your testosterone and your hormones, all important as you go through your 30s, 40s, 50s, and above. Now you want to watch this video on how to inexpensively layer your skincare to remove under eye hollows and wrinkles, and then the one down here on autophagy and ways to initiate autophagy. If you don't know about that, very key to keep your skin beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.